Once upon a time, there was a king who ruled over a kingdom. It was summer season. The king, craving the taste of ripe and sweet mangoes, turned to his servants and commanded,
"Bring me the juiciest mangoes from the orchard at once."
The servants, quick to obey the king's orders, hurried off to fulfill his request. Then the king and his queen were sitting on the palace's terrace. The king and the queen were relishing the fresh, ripe, and juicy mangoes. The wise minister, who was the favorite companion of the king, he was also sitting there and chatting with them. The king was relaxed and in a mood for fun. The king said to himself, scheming to play a prank on the queen.
"I shall jest with her,"
he thought mischievously. He ate the mangoes and placed the leftover skins and stones in front of his queen. Soon, a big heap of the skins and stones of the mangoes, eaten by both of them, was formed before the queen, whereas no stone or skin was seen in front of the king. Totally unaware of it, the queen was busy eating the mangoes. Just to embarrass the queen, the king pointed towards the big heap of skins and stones and said to the minister,
"Look, how hungry is your queen? She ate so many mangoes all alone."
The queen was very embarrassed by the king's sudden remarks. However, the minister could not tolerate the king's dishonesty.
"I beg your pardon, Your Majesty. It seems that you are much more hungry than the queen. She ate only the pulp of the mangoes, but you did not even spare the skins and stones,"
said the minister, pointing towards the clean space in front of the king, who was still eating the mangoes. Free from her embarrassment, the queen giggled, while the king was tongue-tied. Moral: playing pranks on others can lead to unexpected consequences. Treat others as you would like to be treated. Your jokes on others may also invite others to play a joke on you.